for under £12, you can feed your family my M&S RSPC assured succulent Scottish salmon with crispy potatoes and creamy leeks. You're gonna love it. Season the potatoes with salt and pepper, drizzle with oil into a hot oven till they're nice and golden. I've been up to Scotland where this is produced and I'm telling you, it's unbelievably good. Keep it simple when it's this good. Bit of salt and pepper, pop that in the oven, delicious. Sliced leeks, cook for around 8 to 10 minutes until they become soft. Now we reduce the heat and add some of that crème fraiche, little touch of mustard, and then the zest of a lemon. Give that a nice stir together. To serve, add the crispy roast potatoes to serving plates, add that gorgeous Scottish salmon, and a spoonful of those creamy leeks. Fish and lemon, match made in heaven, and that is how you feed your family with M&S food for under £12. Hope you enjoy that as much as I do. Spot on that.